Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level past paper. Today we shall start paper 3 pure mathematics session May June 2023. We shall discuss question number 1 of paper 3 pure mathematics session May June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. If you need online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Question number 1. Solve the inequality 5x minus 3 modulus less than 2 3x minus 7 modulus. We know that modulus value is always positive. So if we take the square on both sides, then there is no change. So 5x minus 3 whole square less than 2 square 3x minus 7 whole square, squaring both sides. After the expansion of the square, we get 25x square minus 30x plus 9 less than 4 into 9x square minus 42x plus 49. After simplification, we get minus 11x square plus 138x minus 87 less than 0. We know that from the properties of the algebra, if minus a is less than 0, when we multiply it with minus 1, then inequality will change. And sign of the values also change. So we get a greater than 0 by using the properties of the real number. So when we multiply it with minus 1, then its inequality will change. We get 11x square minus 138x plus 187 greater than 0. By solving the three terms quadratic and factorization, we get x minus 17 over 11 x minus 11 greater than 0 by using the quadratic equation and factorization formula. But above inequality is satisfied because the both term multiplication of both term greater than 0, we by induction we come to know that the above inequality satisfy only when x minus 17 over 11 less than 0, because if it will be less than 0, then we will get the positive value, and other one x minus 11 greater than 0. So in this case the final value are x less than 17 over 11 and x greater than 11. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.